Yo, quick little update today. Bitcoin is actually bouncing back from the purple box, which is nice to see. I know jobs data did come out and it probably is causing the pump. However, some people are saying this is a cycle low anyway, so maybe we're just going higher from here. Who knows? Maybe, just maybe, these are going to cross over and we see higher prices. But today I've actually got some big news for you, Doc. Big news. Dominance is still going up. However, the cycle could be delayed. We could have a delayed cycle, especially cause if we look at total crypto market, look, it's cooled off a lot because usually it does fly higher, but currently it isn't actually flying higher, which is showing some cool off, some consolidation, which means that we may have to wait for longer because everybody thinks like January to March, quarter 1 is the time when it is going to happen. So maybe, just maybe, I have got further research to back it up, which I will bring to you at a later point in time. However, currently it doesn't look like that is going to happen unless January turns around massively. I think overall in the year, yes, we are bullish, but we don't know when, and we don't know when it's going to dump as well. So currently it's very, it's unknown and uncertain because we don't know what they're going to do with the rate cuts. It all depends on that and how much money and liquidity they're going to put into the markets. But let's look at Twitter. So I have bookmarked a few things. Twitter's going off. It's probably looking better on Twitter today as well. Buying the dip, haha, like bro, with what money? Excuse me, what the F is this price action? Yeah, Bitcoin had like 10 green candles in a row. Just crazy. It is a higher high as well, but I don't know what's going on. Presidential inauguration days. Alt season history tells us that after each inauguration, altcoin market pumps. 2017, 2021 and 2025. However, it's yet to happen. Ignore the short-term dump. However, that could possibly be the case and that could happen. A lot of this market isn't based on history, especially this time around. However, hopefully it is. Hopefully it is 10 days until then. And Ethereum's getting a bullish retest as well, so it could all be playing out nicely. What price is that? A little bit lower it looks like. And it is pumping, 95. Welcome to the official X of Omikami. Final journey for tech people. The final journey here to flip SHIB and Doge, hopefully. Look, this is the employment rate data. Unemployment rate 4.1, which means more people are employed, economy is strong and no sign of a recession. We pump hard in quarter 1 to quarter 2. Look, now it's gone to quarter 2 though. People are thinking it could potentially be later. Ignore this market dump and hold your coins tight. Mega pump is coming. Look, like we say, it's looking a little bit bullish, although there's a lot of volatility today. I think due to that reason alone. And total 3 looks like it does want to break out. He's kept the green lines the same because he did think it was going to fly higher, but it's taking a little bit longer than usual. Everything seems to be taking longer than usual and bringing more pain to everybody really. Keep your currencies, that's what he's saying. Yeah, I'm not buying no more, but I'm also selling nothing. I'm just going to see how it all plays out. I'm giga bullish on crypto market. Bitcoin will trade above 100k by end of January. Look, the MVRVZ score shows the best part hasn't happened yet. Could then again, it might not even happen. We'll see. Hold or stay broke. I like that one. I like that one a lot. Hold or stay broke. At least we're trying, bros. As much as that isn't enough, we're all in this together. Casper is listed now. But is a Casper flip? Flip! Bruh, I've just crossed it, bruh. Let me go back on it. I was gonna say, because my sensitivity on my mouse is too high. I've been playing. Don't ask me what I've been playing. Let's go back to this. I'm just gonna go on coin market cap and we're gonna actually search up Casper. It's in neutral. It's more so towards the fear, which is good because we have reset it a little bit as well. However, if we look here, yes, this is a nice little price that we are dealing with, but on the 1 day it is up 1.8% as well. Thank you for the shout out. AI Rocket's getting a shout out from Base Insights. Is Base Insights 30? 17.4k. Rocket has officially joined the Veda AI portfolio, securing a significant investment From Vader's small cap fund to advancing his AI. No way Vader's making transactions. That's an AI making transactions. Smashed all-time highs, skyrocketing from 1 to 24 in just 1 week. Yeah, I've got a little bit of AI rocket, I'm not gonna lie, and it is in fact pumping. I wouldn't buy this, I won't go near it by the way. You don't know what you're doing. Do not copy me at all, ever. I don't know what I'm doing. It's pulled back a little bit, however all time, yeah look, it might pull back a little bit more, it might consolidate for a little while longer before flying higher, hopefully, because AI agents are going to fly. But then again, some of the stuff I've held hasn't even pumped in bull market. Everyone's a genius in bear markets. You find out who put in the work. Stay focused. And he's even talking about consolidations, because currently we're moving sideways, we're not actually going up. Look at the Bitcoin cycles. Go on man, send it. Send it. Success is not in a straight line. The path is full of ups and downs. Stay focused on the long term and keep building. It's a long term game, man. Don't liquidate yourself. It's a long term game. See what Crash is saying. A 20x on a 10k is better than going 1 out of 10 and hitting a 100x on 1,000. 99% of you can't hold for a 100x with any size 2, but yet you spray and pray. Even if you hit it, you won't do it with meaningful size, or you put your initials out on a double, so really will it be a 50x by the time you declare it's a 100x, and that's being generous, because most of you would sell way before then. Lol stuff. Stop chasing a 100x, be the 100x or know the 100x. Being or knowing a 100x can make life changing money. Chasing for one won't. That's a fact. Maybe for some people, for the majority of people, you should just hold a Casper or something which is gonna do a careful 5 to 10x. What's the point in trying to gamble? This guy had made a good document on Omikami, but it was very, very tedious, so I'm not actually going to play that, even though it is good information. The Bitcoin dominance is about to form a death cross. Altcoins will explode. Give me that death cross. That's the only time I've wanted a death cross. Now IXBT, it's actually up for trading on Binance, and it's pumping like crazy. Don't go near it. Do not go near it. Not on a day like this. You've seen the blood in the streets recently. You do not want to make a mistake of buying something like this when it's going to get listed on Binance. No flipping way. Not when it pumps. ETH in 2023 at 15k, 1500. BTC in 2025 at 90k. So you're saying there's a chance? Send it, bruh. I beg you, send it. 12 green hourly candles in a row. That's why there was high volatility. 2 billion worth of Bitcoin and Ethereum options will expire. The Bitcoin trend is on the verge of reversing. We are about to get hilariously rich. Could be a long wait though. Hopefully though, you're right man. Send it. They oversold it. Pump it. Omikami liquidation event. This guy's seen the bigger picture though. He still thinks we're going to 88k. Following big wallet movements while monitoring sentiment and volume across key protocols tells me exactly where alpha is flowing. These AI agents are different levels, bruh. The banana zone. Yes, we are still in the banana zone. Phase 1 was a breakout last year, now they're consolidating, just like 2016-17 after phase 1. This won't last long. Next up, banana zone. Phase 2, the banana singularity alt season, when everything goes up, followed by a bigger consolidation, and finally banana zone phase 3, when the core winners explode on to make much higher highs. That is my roadmap to Valhalla. Let's see. That is madness. Look, I did a tails, and he said tails is looking bullish, and he was right, because when I go over to coin market cap, tails is pumping like a mad dog. I did sell for profits yesterday as well. I did sell tails for profit yesterday, and tails is, what the flip is this? Let's go to the right tails. If we go tails here, this is it. Tails AI up 31% on the day. It's pumped all the way from here, which I bought at, and I sold up here-ish. But then that was a bullish pennant, man. It flew higher. Flip sake, you win some and you lose some. At the end of the day, I still made dough. A lot of smart people calling cycle top. A lot of prominent figures going 50 to 80% in stable coins. I could do the same. Buy properties? Absolutely not. I'm willing to die on this hill. I will not roll the dice. I will not yield. This comeback is a personal. It's an apology to myself. Holy. Also Shogun. What is Shogun at right now? Apparently it's supposed to go higher to about $1, and hopefully over time it will do. Over how much time though? Next few days we're thinking Shogun's gonna fly higher. I like Shogun. Apparently it makes investments in itself. Holy, yeah, it's pumping. Is it? Oh, it's pump. Oh, oh, I faded it. Oh, I faded it. Ooh, I did fade it. Yup. I've got a little bit, but not enough. Cross-referencing wallet clustering with sentiment algos shows whales accumulating while CT's bearish. That says a lot. Whilst everyone was selling yesterday, whales were accumulating. Maybe I'm delusional, but I don't think we're done yet. Send it, bruh. Send it, bruh. The sell-off is so bad that we will have an alt season just by prices going back to what it was 1 week ago. Bruh, don't give me that, man. That's painful. Fuck that. F the cartels, F the whales. We are not panic selling our coins to you guys. We are not leaving. Doesn't matter how bad our portfolio is looking. We will sell in April, May 2025, and alt season is at its peak. When do you expect Binance to list Casper? February 2025, bruh. Send it all. Send it all. We're looking green, bruh. We're actually looking green, but don't fall for this. We know where this can go very easily. However, this could be the start of something very special. I'm not gonna lie. Very, very special. At least it's holding like 94k, man. Because this was looking dead a couple days ago. We need this to play a ball. Now we need... Was that a lower low? That was a flipping lower low. With a higher high. It's weird, man. What is it doing? Anything looking tasty on here? Absolutely nothing is looking tasty to me right now. It's all looking green. You know this? This coin right here. Absolutely strong as hell. This token is strong as hell. If this pulls back, I might have to, man. And it hasn't even got good markets yet. And it is gonna. Because the community is different. Look at how they're holding this up. I think a good entry would be around about... maybe 72? Something like that. What market cap is 79 million. It is above my 50 million entry, but potentially it could be a play. Hoppy looks good. Omikami looks insane right now. Insane. Tails looks very good. Resistance logs looks appalling. That play's looking dirty, but that's when they pump, right? If you look at the chart on resistance, dog. Look at this, it's bleeding out. It can't be at a lower price than it was there, yeah. I think that's a good entry, that, but then again, it hasn't done anything recently, so we'll see. That's when they pump, though. I don't know, bruh. We're gonna have to wait and see, because hopefully this is the start of something very special. This may be the start of something in the history, in your history, in mine.